Now this is a product by Apex Energetics. It is called Gabatone Active. We talked about it earlier in the previous video about, calming our minds and our mind and people that are more anxious or irritable. The Gabatone Active can be used, it can be a great piece for promoting sleep or the ability to fall asleep. It's designed really for people that have too highs and too lows. It can balance them, but it can also put the mind at ease to facilitate sleep. I usually recommend taking it 30 minutes to an hour before bed at the dose on the bottle and going up from there. Be careful when it comes to sleep supplements and melatonin. And I should do a video on this alone, but melatonin can compromise and impair our body's own ability to make melatonin. So it's kind of the end of the days where we prescribe high doses of melatonin to fall asleep. Melatonin will help you fall asleep, but not necessarily keep you asleep. A lot of times we wake up. So this can be a great product for facilitating sleep.